Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on DOOGEE T10E. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search and click on search bar. Now type in Edge and click search, and now you can click install. Now you can click open. And here you can set this browser as your default browser, or you can click not now. Here you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now. And now you have to click confirm. And as you can see, my Microsoft Edge browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.